Zaira, wee. Be easy with the baby. No, we're gonna go crazy. Put the baby in the crib. Ponla, bebé. Busca el baby. ¿A dónde está el baby? No? Okay.
Where's the baby though?
Huh?
Where's the
I
baby?
don't know. Della, give your sister the baby for the crib.
Okay. This is running team.
Ah.
I don't know what a baby is.
Busca el baby. Ponla ya.
Go see if the Tigger's on my bed.
No, the Tigger's in her crib. I put it in there because she can't fall asleep.
I think all the toys are in a crib.
Huh?
I think all the toys are.
No, in her playpen. But her Tigger's in her crib. The crib she sleeps in. Uh-oh.
You okay?
You like your toy?
Suhaila. Hi, baby.
Silly girl.
No, don't grab the phone. Keep playing.
Ooh, that's better than a crib. Give that. You win? Yeah.
Keep driving right into the wall.
Cuidado, suave.
I got go in a hiding place. So if I want to play peekaboo, make sure she doesn't follow me. Hold on. Make sure she doesn't.
You have to get her attention though.
Peekaboo! Oh, she's following me. Look that way. Look that way. Look that way. Look that way. I can see her.
She goes to get her crib again.
Girl.
Oh, you knocked it over.
Uh-oh.
Blinking this way.
No, she's playing.
No! I can't play peekaboo anymore.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you knocked her down.
She found the rat.